So far, I like this.
This is all that I would see back home.
It's got a straight 6. Come on. There you go.
Omni. I knew because I looked at one, but yeah.
Looks pretty interesting.
Goodness gracious alive. We'll take a little break here. Tell everybody about the Monster Classic Cruise-In coming in next Saturday, October the 24th.
Trying to get that incognito pic, get I don't want nobody to know.
Maybe at the spot where they race.
Say no. Most of these cars here older than my dad, man. Oh, that's that Shelby thing.
Yeah, the Shelby thing.
Like I said, I'm not knowledgeable on older cars.
Yeah, older cars kind of hurt me
That's that
too.
Shelby thing. I know that car older than my daddy. All right, that's all I can tell you.
Goddamn.
We've got some Beatles coming up and some other good stuff.
Austin Healey.
Bear with me and we'll get you fixed up.
Can't really find those. Oh shit, Trans Am. Now, is this a Firebird? Yes, it is. You know what's the difference between a regular Trans Am and a Firebird? Yes.
See, I can't tell you because did you not hear me say I'm not knowledgeable on older cars?
Well, I'll tell you. Look on the hood.
The freaking bird, the fire chicken.
Yep.
I freaking said that while ago. You asked me the question.
That's the difference. Everything else is the same. So that might not even be a real Firebird.
Everything's a Dodge Neon.
Everything is a Dodge Neon, yes. Welcome to the Audi Loafer channel where everything is a Dodge Neon. Giving Mopar guys some shit. Look at this.
What is it again? Hey!
3570 Harmony Carmen's Drive. Bitch. Fucker. So, summer what happened, and now we're going to a different spot. I don't know what's going on.
It was like, oh yeah, this group of kids came by and they thought they could park here and this is what they're supposed to be here for and blah blah blah. I told them some shit. That thing's
TXU Energy.
Hey, the neon park by you.
Wait, that's a neon? That's a neon! That's a neon!
That's a neon.
That's a neon!
That's a neon.
That's a neon!
That's a neon.
That's a neon! That's a neon!
That's a neon.
That's a neon!
It's a neon.
Every car's a neon.
Yeah. In conclusion, that's a neon.
That is a neon. That looks really good.
And that's why we're gonna get kicked out.
That has got to be the cleanest neon I've ever seen.
I like that. I was driving next to the
good. Them exhaust though. And park next to the blue Neon. Is that an SRT? That is an SRT 4 Dodge Neon. There's a TRD. That's an Avalon. That's an Avalon. Freaking some of these cars, man. Clean as fuck. Especially this one. I like this one.
I can't beat that. I don't know. I had somebody with a Neon with an external wastegate thing, and he turned his way up, and I think that was the only way he was able to beat me. Yeah, right. I know somebody told me that as soon as that shit. I used to do that flying.
It's for my quality ass content, where I unnecessarily talk about a non-existent video, along with my 14 ads. No, I don't.
Whose is this? What is it exactly? Is that just a Focus Titanium?
I just have like SD wheels, like that.
Ah. That's noise. It's noise. Hey, puppy.
I have the same bumper in my car with my shit.
I gotta get them 6 shots. Yes.
Yeah, what do you have done to it?
Supposedly it's tuned and it's got stuff done to it because
It's a titanium.
What up? Come here, boy. What I do?
I mean, they look nice, but
Yeah, that's the look factor. That's like mine.
I like them like when they're on right here.
Hey, come here. Like my headlights use like a net because they're blacked out.
Yeah, I like.
Shit's on airbags.
We ain't get home till like 6 o'clock.
Noise points.
We were drinking and we started. Look, this one started. We went to a meet. Then African
It's not a 528i anymore. That would be more of a 5.2JZ now. Oh heck no!